Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the new double barrel shotgun in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the barrel first. So we're going to draw the bottom of the barrel. So this is going to be one horizontal line. So this is going to be pretty long. Just come all the way out, and then from here we're gonna go up on this, and then now we're gonna draw another line, but just give it a slight slant, very slight. Okay, so this is a little bit wider on the tip here, so now we can just close this off. So that's gonna be the tip of the barrel. All right, so after this shape we're gonna come back in here. Just draw like a circle. There's some details here. No, my lines are really wobbly today. Okay, and then once you have this circle, just close it off. And then inside we can draw a star. So this part could be a little bit tricky, but just try to follow along. Okay, and then two more at the bottom, 1 and 2. Alright, so it's just small little details. So then from here we're gonna draw in the rest of the shape. So we're gonna come down here. Okay, just come down right around this area, just add in a little bit of detail. And then we're gonna come down more. And then now we're gonna draw a line going this way. So this one's gonna slant down a little bit. And then from this part here, just kind of come up. And then we're gonna curve it back to the barrel. So it's a lot of little odd shapes. And then we can finish it off here for some detail. We just draw one line across, one line down. And then from here, just curve slightly and then just go all the way out to this line. Okay, so now let's draw in the front grip here. So right here, you can just kind of draw one line going down slightly again. Alright, so just leave some spaces here. And then once you have that, from this corner, we're gonna curve in and go this way. And then from here, pick a point here near the tip. We're just gonna curve it all the way down to the bottom line here. So that's gonna be the grip on the bottom. And we can add in some detail. There's gonna be one line. And just go down. Okay, and let's see, I know there's some details up here, but let's finish up the handle part in the back. So we're gonna continue this line, just go slightly back. And then we're gonna draw in the little trigger area, so we're just gonna curve it all the way back. And then now we're gonna give this line some thickness here. So start out a little bit wider here, and then just come back in here. And then for the trigger itself, this one's easy. We're just gonna curve it down. All right, so let's see. Let's continue on the top now. So on the top here, we're just gonna continue that line. And then once you reach right around here, now we can draw in the back. So just come back down here, slant down. And then on this part here, just slightly curve it and then just go all the way down. Okay, and then we can connect that. And we can add in one line here for some detail. And then let's see, let's add in some, so that's pretty much it for the whole gun. Now we're just gonna add in some detail. So on the back here, you can draw one little circle like this, but leave a little bit of space. And then from this space here, we're just gonna curve all the way around. Just follow the top of the gun and just close that off. And then on the front here, on the top, we're gonna draw just one little mound. And then on the side here, just come out and go down. And we can add in some lines here. So just put 3. Okay, and then some smaller detail here. So this one's easy. We're just gonna follow the top all the way out. Try to draw a straight line, not like me. Okay. And then so go all the way out, And then for the sight, we're just gonna come up, slant, come across, down, and then whatever space you have left, just come across and go back down. And that is it for this very powerful double barrel shotgun in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.